Okay, we're now here. This time we have just arrived in Portland, Oregon, and let's see, Portland. We're here in Portland, Oregon. Oh, there's your McDonald's.
Hindi, bibili tayo ng donuts.
Asa ba yung donut? I don't know. Yun na lang pasalubong. Portland, Oregon. So quiet here in Portland, Oregon. McDonald's.